It's just another night, and I'm staring at the moon. I saw a shooting star and thought of you. I sang a lullaby by the waterside and knew.
Brian is my best friend. He's the person I know I can trust anytime. I know that he'll always be there for me, and I love him so much, and he makes me so happy, he makes me laugh, and he makes me feel loved and cared. He is the best thing that I could ever ask for.
From America, I wonder, do you see them too? So open your eyes and see.
So finally the day that we've been planning for 1 year came, and I've cried, I've laughed, I was so nervous and anxious, and just thinking about how everything would come together. But now that I'm here and I have my parents and friends here getting ready together for the big day, I'm calmer.
I'm very anxious to see her. I'm definitely nervous. I'm excited to see her. I can't wait to see how she looks.
I think that when I start walking down the aisle with my dad, and when I look at Brian at the altar looking at me, I don't know, I think that everything will come through my mind again.
I just can't wait to be able to hold her in my arm, and then she means everything to me, and I love her with my whole heart.
Back through lamp-lit streets and you, everything led back to you. So can you see the stars? Hear the song my heart is beating to. So open your eyes and see the way our horizons meet, and all of the lights will lead into the night with me. And I know these skies will bleed, but both of our hearts bleed. All of these stars will guide us on the I can see the stars from America.